All praise to the Most High. I'm feeding the gulls again this morning. It's so pretty to have them out by the window. And Passover's in a couple of days. So all the bread and food that I had that I give to the homeless, that, you know, I give food for days. I just got to get rid of it. It's all bread. It's all unclean food that we must take out of our homes. We're only supposed to have unleavened bread for the 7 days, and we're going to celebrate Passover. So the gulls and the small birds, I like to see them when they're flying around in the morning time. So that's about all. I'm heading out to Goodwill in a minute. And I guess that's the alpha bird. All of them flew away. They're cool. And hey, yo, I saw a bald eagle the other day. So it was pretty interesting. Yeah, this is interesting. And then look on the other side, guys. This bloomed out beautiful. This is a spring. It's beautiful. Right outside the window. That's why I like the birds, because he flew right by me. So yeah, it's like I live right off the coast. I love it. Yeah. So yeah, they got the trees blooming beautifully. Beautiful spring. Those flowers is right outside the window. And then you can't probably see, but there's some flowers that's going to be right outside of the window. It's blooming now. So I'm blessed. Just want to do a quick video, and I'm just asking the family, if you tune in, I want you to tell me that you want to see one day in the life. I'm going to start off from morning till evening, and I see some amazing things. I meet amazing people every single day. And I think people would be interested in just one day of my life. The other day, I was coming home and I looked up in the sky and I said, "Oh, they chemtrailing." I said, "What are they trying to hide?" I saw the chemtrails. I was up in the middle of the night and I went to the bathroom and I looked up. There was something flying up there. I believe it was a chariot. It was something flying. It was moving so slow. Planes and stuff don't move like that. It was just flying. It was something up there. They're hiding something in the sky. The angels are here. No, it's something definitely going to happen. Them chariots, something was up there. That's why they're trying to always chemtrail, especially here. This is a big state. Remember, folks, this is Washington State. The X across America starts here in 2024. Or whatever it starts. We don't have to go by their time. When the Most High say the X starts, that's when it starts. Okay, so all praise to the Most High. If you leave a comment, say you want to see it one day. Just put one day on there, and then I'm going to do it. And I'm going to start off in the morning. It'll be in different parts, but throughout the day, what I find at Goodwill, the work I do, talking to the homeless, trying to preach to them. They don't understand, but still, it's one day. Aloha, guys.